One of you guys were a little bit off, and I see that, and I also also see one of you guys kind of tumble, but you all catch that. But I give you props because you brought energy to the dance, and then you also brought your smile. You also brought something a little bit different because you were wearing traditional clothes, but then you kind of went not traditional with the songs. So, I kind of like that. That's good on your part. But what I like is that I kind of see your unity today, but it wasn't as good as it was yesterday to me.
Thank you, Gabby. Okay, tụi con tên là Hiệp Pháp.
Okay, nếu đọc đến thì khán giả really stands out cho khán giả chia thì khán giả rất có sự tự nhiên cái khí này nè, so cái khí khởi sinh green thế khán giả okay, so I really like that. I thought there was a really interesting pick for the opener, and there's a formation in the very beginning that I really liked. It kind of looked like an L from my perspective, so I thought that was really interesting and creative and something different I had not seen before. And your energy today is wonderful and excellent, as it was yesterday. And my only suggestion for you guys is to give each other more space. It's okay, I love how you guys dance in the front of the stage, but to give each other more room, because I feel like, there are some moves that are like, oh, I hope that, you guys don't hit each other. So just give yourself some more space, and thank you. So go home and practice a little bit more, or just keep that energy up, and thank you, okay?